The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, northern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central Pennsylvania until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Newville, or 23 miles west of Harrisburg, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and softball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Excessive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Mount Holly Springs and Lake Mead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.